there, another beautiful day here in the garden center, and we've got an installment of what's becoming my favorite segment on Facebook. What is your favorite plant? And today we have Erin, and Erin works in the garden center out in the nursery, the tree and shrub lot. So if you come in and you need some help choosing a tree or shrub for your yard, Erin's your guy. You can look him up. And so Erin, let me know, what is your favorite plant?
I happen to be standing right next to it. It's the Fine Line Buckthorn fern. It's non-invasive.
Yes.
So that's a good point to make.
Yes.
I just like the subtlety of the plant itself. It's like a fern on a stick, basically.
You like things on sticks.
Well, it's out here, yeah, it's kind of a novelty, so I kind of really do like it. But I just like the way the leaves are formed. It just kind of sways out every time the breeze blows by. It just gives a very calming effect. So I just think it's probably a pretty cool plant.
It is really lacy, and I know from experience that they're pretty site adaptable too. Even they'll take a fair amount of shade. They're pretty tolerant of soil conditions, and as Erin said, it is a non-invasive buckthorn, developed, I believe, by a nursery up in Green Bay, and it's seed sterile. So even if it does produce a little bit of fruit, which might be attractive to birds as the plant gets more mature, the seed is sterile, I think like 98.9%. So even if birds eat it and poo it out in other places, it's not ever going to germinate. So that's what makes it sterile. And you know, other buckthorns, most places don't even sell it, with good reason, because it does get into our native woodlands and it chokes out a lot of other things. So anything else you want to point out about the buckthorn?
No, not really, except I'd like about 3 of them right now.
Well, you do have a little bit of a store discount, so. So thank you very much, Erin. And you know, we would love to see your reactions to Erin's favorite plant. If you have any questions about it, please post your questions. And if you have a favorite plant today or this week, why don't you post a photo and let us know, because we love seeing what other gardeners like as well. And have a very happy summer day from all of us here at the Bruce Company.